Alright, so I know what this is. This is that spare intake and exhaust manifold that I bought from eBay. Hopefully it's not broken. The guy did a great job packing it up, but things get thrown around. People don't care. So careful, this is an old blade that's not very sharp. That's when you get cut badly. Oh, very nice. Look at that. He took the carburetor. This is a military intake and exhaust manifold. The civilian manifolds dumped at a 22.5-degree angle. And this apparatus is a governor. It governs the speed of the engine through intake. And I might actually be able to get this thing apart pretty easily. Yep. Nice. It's not cracked. It's not broken. Awesome. Excellent. This part here is the mount for the horn. Excellent. Very happy on this one. This is a good score. Yep, I'll be able to clean this up very nicely. Okay, that's it for this one. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Thanks for watching my video. Later.